An innovative Ludo game. In fact, it is a double dice Ludo math game. We have just invented for our kid to learn quickly the math calculation, counting as well as math addition. So now we will play the game, but before playing, I must reiterate that the rules of our invented Ludo game will are mentioned in the description of this video. Therefore, please check the description of this video to learn the rules of this game. The process is very simple. When you buy this Ludo board from a sports shop, always buy these two pieces of dices. You need only these two pieces, and all other process of the Ludo game is as simple as traditional. So let's start. Sumer, it is now your turn. First, I will put this dice, the second dice. Now he will roll the dice. Yes, please roll it here. So, how many numbers you got? What is the score of each dice? What is the score of on each dice?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Yes, please now count the score of each dice on your fingers. Please bring your fingers. Yes.
1.
You raised 2 fingers of this hand and 3 fingers of this hand. Okay, that's nice. Please now count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. So you got the score 5. Therefore, so we learned that the 3 plus 2 is always equal to
5.
5. Good. Very nice. 3 plus 2 is equal to
5.
5. So now you will move forward the 5 squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Good. Now it is my turn. It is my turn. 5. I got 5 on one dice and 4 score on the other dice. So I will count. I have 5 fingers on my hand, and then I will count these 4 fingers on the other hand. So I will count the total fingers. These are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we learned that 5 plus 4 is always equal to 9. So I will move forward my Ludo piece at the 9 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, Sumer, it is now your turn. So, you got, how much score you got?
3 and 5.
Please show it. How much score you got it?
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Now you will you learn the method of counting the score on your fingers. Now for this time you will count the squares, because this is another method of counting the total number of total sum of both dices. So please count the squares.
1,
Yes.
2, 3,
Yes.
4,
Huh?
5.
5. Yes. You counted the number of one dice. This is 5. So continue counting the other the 3. Counting.
1,
No, from next.
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3.
Yes, 3. So the final score is here. So now you will count the whole squares again. Please.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So 5 plus 3 is always
8.
8. Yes. 5 plus 3 is always
8.
Yes. No. Now you should not forget this calculation. So Now you will put this Ludo piece here at the number 8. Now we will continue playing the Ludo game while learning it. This innovative Ludo method will serve the two purposes. One is just playing the Ludo game and enjoying it, and the second is your child will learn the counting and math addition. So in next video we will show you how you can train your child to learn the math subtraction while playing the Ludo game quickly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and share it with your friends. Thanks.